ahead and wave goodbye to all the beautiful people you see waiting for the next train on the dock, because you'll never see them again. Keep waving. I don't see you all waving, but it's okay. We'll call it even, because I didn't see anyone beautiful standing there neither. Oh, you should fasten your seatbelts.
Wait, what?
Because the way I've been driving, I hope we're surviving.
I haven't seen it.
See? Nothing on mine.
Woo, it sure is warm in here, folks. Not to worry, we'll be okay as long as you don't see any boiling or bubbling water from these mud pots and geysers. They look pretty, but stand too close, and you'll be like Donna Summers. Hot stuff. Talk about a warm welcome.
Oh boy.
And to my left, you'll see the elevators and lifts that we use here in the mine. And to my right hand side, you'll see the one, the only, the place where we struck gold, the Calico Glory Hole, where we found $80 million worth of gold. That's right, 80 million. That's enough for 2 months rent here in California, or 1 week of gas. Now down by the water, that's Jack, and he's panning for gold. And straight across, that's Bruno. He's panning for his lunch. But we don't talk about it though. To my left, you'll see a waterfall. To my right, you'll see another waterfall. We like to call that deja vu.
Now y'all can't be too careful in this here line. Remember, one space bar all the time.
Say, it's a bit dark in here. Where's my lantern? We need some light.
Yeah, we do.
Sweet mother of Abraham Lincoln. Look what we have here, folks. This right here is millions of years in the making. All it takes is one drop of water to form these stalactites and stalagmites that you see here. They sure are pretty dangerous. Why? Look up. Those stalactites could fall any minute. But don't worry about me, folks. I'm safe and covered. You guys will... You'll get the point. We better skedaddle before we damage the train. And you, of course, but mostly the train. Now, to my left-hand side, you'll see undiscovered parts of the caverns. Legend has it, if you walk all the way down there, you'll find a theme park ruled by a mouse. And to my left-hand side, we have Old Man Slim. And look, everyone, he's found 10 pounds worth of gold. I guess Old Man Slim can finally retire. Oh no, Slim! He got so excited he froze. To my left, you'll see all the mining operations that go on in the Calico mine. We're pretty safe here. Hardly nothing ever goes wrong. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Kevin, get to work. Oh my God. Look at this guy. playing tug of war with his dog. That's why you don't bring your dog to work. I know it feels like it's been 5 minutes and 15 seconds, but you've been stuck in here for 2 days. Everyone's still alive? Good. I keep my bonus. And to my right hand side, you'll see Calico Square. To my left, you'll see absolutely nothing, just rock. Don't take it for granted. No? Gee, tough crowd. You guys are pretty dead. It reminds me of the opening year of California Adventure. That was pretty dead too. They do blasting down here on Saturdays. But lucky for you, it's a Friday today, so we're safe. I will never, ever lead you into danger. Danger, blasting. What?
Stop that train!
Hold on.
It's too late.
Hey, we made it back alive, folks. You're welcome. No need to call me a hero, but you don't have to go visit Avengers Campus anymore. Go and stay seated till the train comes to a full and complete stop. Once the train stops, go ahead and stand up, lift that seat, and I'll open the door for all of y'all. If you like the ride, my name was Gabriel. If you didn't, my name is Jonathan.